Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to help you or walk you through choosing your financial champion. This is a comparison between NetSuite and FreshBooks. Are you scaling your business? Your accounting software can be your greatest ally or your biggest bottleneck. In this corner, we have the heavyweight enterprise champion NetSuite, and in the other corner, we have the agile fan favorite called FreshBooks. So let's get ready to rumble. When it comes to their vibe, NetSuite is your entire corporate ERP brain, while FreshBooks is your super smart financial assistant. When we look at who or what they are best for, NetSuite is best for large scaling enterprises, while FreshBooks is best for freelancers, small and medium businesses, and agencies. Now let's look at their scope. NetSuite has a scope of everything: finance, CRM, inventory, e-commerce, all in one. While FreshBooks is streamlined. It has invoicing, expenses, time tracking, and projects. When we look at their setup, NetSuite has complex implementations. It is a marathon actually. While FreshBooks is beautifully simple. You are up and running in minutes. When we look at their pricing, NetSuite has enterprise level investment that is custom quotes, while FreshBooks has transparent subscription that starts around $20 per month. Lastly, their power move. NetSuite has real-time global financial consolidation, while FreshBooks has the most intuitive client invoicing and payment system on the market. So who wins? Well, this isn't a fair fight, it's a choice. NetSuite is the ultimate all-in-one operating system for a complex global business. But FreshBooks is a productivity powerhouse designed to make freelancers and small teams incredibly efficient and get them paid faster. So the choice is simple. Are you running a complex corporate enterprise or empire? If you are, NetSuite is your answer. And if you're actually growing business that values simplicity and speed, FreshBooks is your champion. Did we get it right? Did we get it right? Let us know in the comments which tool you use. If this helps you decide, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense software showdowns.